Welcome to Home Orchestration. Today we are going to prepare potato masala curry, which is very tasty and a good combination with chapati. Let's see the ingredients required for the preparation. These are also listed in the description of this video. Take 4 medium-sized potatoes and chop them into small pieces. Add 2.5 glasses of water. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Boil potatoes in a pressure cooker on a medium flame for 1 whistle and switch off the flame. To prepare masala, we need 2 green chilies, 2 garlic cloves, 2 medium-sized onions and few curry leaves. Cut the onion into half and thinly slice it. Take a pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it splutter and then add half teaspoon of jeera. Add chopped onion, garlic, green chilies and curry leaves to it. Add salt as required and mix it well. Cook it on a medium flame for 8 to 9 minutes. Keep on lower flame and add 1 teaspoon of vegetable masala, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and half teaspoon of pepper powder and mix it well. Saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. Add cooked potatoes and mix them well. Do not add salt and pepper now. Cover the pan with a lid and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Once it starts boiling, lower the flame and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and check for salt and pepper. Add additional salt and pepper if required. Now cook for another 5 minutes on medium flame to thicken the gravy and switch off the flame and keep it as it is for 15 minutes. Now the gravy is thickened and is ready to serve hot with chapati. Do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment box. Thank you for watching.